problem based on molar conductivity and resistivity. The electrical resistance of take down the electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 mole per liter in a word solution of diameter 1 centimeter, length 50 centimeter, is 5.55 into 10 power 3 ohm. Calculate its resistivity. Conductivity, resistivity, molar conductivity, and then simply conductivity. Conductivity means kappa. The concentration here is that is represented as C and that is given in molarity, and electrolyte is NaOH here, NaOH solution. So 0.05 mole per liter. So this indicates this is molarity. That is the concentration of the electrolyte. And what are the equations to be included? That is the formula to be included here. Resistance is equal to rho into L by A, where R is resistance in ohm, rho is called resistivity, L is the distance between the two electrodes. Then, so this is nothing but the length of the conductor. And the area means area of cross section means that is nothing but the surface of the electrode surface area, where they are given the diameter here. And in fact, here it is given as 1 centimeter. Length is 50 centimeter. So length is, because this is a vertical column. So in that case, this is the length and that is taken as 50 centimeter. And its dia is 1 centimeter. This is the dia. Now, in this case, A is area of cross section of the ionic conductor. So area of cross section. So for a cylindrical one, it is pi r squared. Is that not? So area is equal to pi R square. Now, based on this, let us proceed. And what is the other concept? Molar conductivity and also conductivity. Conductivity is given by kappa here. This is called kappa conductivity, and that is given by the equation, the reciprocal of rho, resistivity, reciprocal of resistivity. So this is equation number one, and you got the simple equation area, that is equation number two, and this is equation number three. Then we have molar conductivity, that is given by lambda m, that is kappa into 1000 divided by the concentration C, and its unit here is cubic centimeter per liter. And you have to mention, in fact, this part is cubic centimeter per liter. Okay. And the C is the mole. It means mole per liter. Okay. So you have to be very careful about the unit. Now let us proceed one by one. This is the fourth equation or formula to be used in this problem. So let us take up the first one, rho. What is the original equation? R is equal to rho into L by E. Our objective is to find out rho. So it is R A by L. So that is equal to, what is R here? 5.55 into 10 cube. This is the ohm. You can mention here ohm. And what about the area? The area is pi r squared here. So let us apply the formula. Area is equal to pi r squared. So that is 3.14 into, it is given as dia. So dia means r is equal to 1 by 2. So in that case, you have to put 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So it means 1.57, and again 0.785, correct? So this is the square centimeter area. So let us put here the area. What is that? 0.785 and put centimeter square. You have to do the unit side by side. And what is the length? The length is given as 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter, you can put centimeter. Okay. Now this is rho. So rho is equal to, and here 5.55 into 0.785 into 10 power. This is 5 into 10. So when it goes here, 10 power minus 1. So 10 square. So I can leave this 5. So strike out 1.11. Okay. So therefore 0.785 into 1.11. So 785, 785, 785, 5, 13, and then 6, 14, 21 balance 2, 10, 17, then 8. So 2 and this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0.87, how much? So 0.87135 into 10 square. That means 87.135. And now you have to work out the unit, is it not? So centimeter square centimeter. So you are able to get ohm centimeter, right? Ohm centimeter. So this is the resistance. That is specific resistivity, specific resistance or resistivity. This is the first answer. Okay. Answer 1. Right. Now let us proceed. What is the next question? They are asked the reciprocal of resistivity. That is kappa, conductivity. So second, kappa. Kappa is equal to the reciprocal of resistivity. So therefore 1 by 87.3135, 135, and here 1 by ohm centimeter. So we can take 1 divided by 87.135. That is a 0.0115. 0.0115, and this becomes ohm inverse centimeter inverse. This ohm inverse can also be represented as mho, then centimeter inverse. And this is also represented as Simon. Okay. So 0.0115 Simon per centimeter. So this is the value of copper, because ohm inverse is equal to mho, that is equal to Simon. Okay. Got it? Therefore, this is the second answer. Third, what is the third one? Molar conductivity, that is represented as lambda m. So what is the formula for lambda m? You already given. Lambda m is equal to, you have to be very careful here, kappa into 1000 divided by C. So here you have to represent the mole. Okay. And this one represents, that is centimeter cube per liter. Okay. So you can go. And what about this? Kappa is Simon centimeter. Is it not? Simon centimeter inverse. Okay. So lambda m is equal to, what is the value of kappa? 0.0115 into 1000 divided by, what is the value of C? It is given as 0.5 mole per liter, right? Okay, because that is given in mole per liter. Okay, so 0.0, and this is the conversion factor for this. 0.0, what is that? 5. Okay, now, and 3 zeros means it becomes 11.5, right? 30, so 30, 11.5 divided by, you can make this as 5 into 10 power minus 2. It means 11.5 into 10 squared divided by 5. So that is equal to 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15 into 10 square. Now this is the lambda m, and you have to mention the, and this can also be written as 2300. Is it not? Okay, not 300, 230.0. Okay, otherwise you can simply put 230. So 230. Now let us work out the, what is that? The unit. So you have Simon. Okay, listen to me carefully. This is Simon, and then now we are converting the entire as what? The into meter. So before that we will work out as such. So this is because 23 to 230. Okay. Now what is the unit? Tell me. You have got Simon. Okay. And then centimeter cube, centimeter squared, right? And we have converted this into 1000. That is a mole per liter, and that's why we have introduced this factor. So it becomes what? That is, when you convert, I think I already given you the conversion factor. So 10 power minus 4. So you have to put like this, into 10 power minus 4. And then Simon, then if it is converted, it is centimeter squared means meter squared. And then per mole. Okay.